Hi guys, if you are using Canva on a daily basis, or if you ever were frustrated while working on a design because things were overlapping each other and it was hard to grab them with your mouse, then keep on watching, because in this video I'm going to show you how to work with layers in Canva. So let's start by, of course, logging into our Canva, and as you can see, I am logged in already. And let's say that you would like to work with some templates that has a lot of stuff on top of one another. So let's try to pick something that will be pretty complex. Yeah, and this one looks like a lot of stuff is on top of one another. So yeah, as you can see here, there is a pretty cool infographic about tips for preventing you from cyber attacks. There is like this guy in here, and there is a text in here. As you can see, these things are overlapping one another. It's hard to click on one another and so on. So in this case, it might be pretty tricky to move stuff around, as you can see, and not to grab one thing. So I would like to grab a text. I cannot do it quite well, right? And in this case, what is super helpful is to accessing the layer tab in Canva. To do that, you need to click your right button of a mouse in here on one of these objects and click layer, and then use show layers at the bottom in here. Once you do that, you can see all of the things, all of the images, all of the elements that are right now on this very infographic. And if you click overlapping, you will really quickly see the things that are overlapping one another. And as you can see, I have this guy in here and I have the text. Once I will click on it, I can really easily move the guy to front or to the background. And as you can see, this is changing the elements really quickly. This is super important if you have like 5, 7, 8 different things on top of one another, because it's really hard and this can be frustrating to grab it with your mouse. And once you will use the layers, it's pretty simple and straightforward. So you can move stuff around without any problems, but use things in here to duplicate things. And as you can see, really quickly you can add things, move them around and access them really quickly. If you will click on all, you can also use it to change the sequence of things and then move them around if they are on top of one another. Let's say that this lady I would like to have here in front, but for some reason she's in the background. So let's try to go ahead and move her to the front. As you can see right now, she's in the front. This doesn't look pretty good, but yeah, now it's a little bit better. So the layers in here are pretty cool, but then they can be pretty tricky to operate if you don't have the layers sub-menu opened. Let me know if this was anyhow helpful to you, and if it helped with the frustration of trying to grab one object or another one. If this was useful, then please hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Let me know what other topics you would like us to cover on Canva, or any other business-related applications or B2B sales and marketing, which is of course our specialty. Have a great rest of the day, and thanks for watching.